Hi, I'm Death,
And I'm Baby Death.
and this is the Death and Baby Death Book Hour.
We have some really exciting book news to bring you this week.
That's right. For those of you who follow the blogs out there, you may well know sign-ups are now open for the readathon.
24-hour readathon. Death and I are going to participate.
That's right. We're really excited. We've been working on our readathon chant.
But we're not going to give it to you yet.
No, we don't quite have it perfected. I keep forgetting the words and saying kill, kill, death, death.
This is a problem in our house.
Yes, frequently. That being said, today on the Death and Baby Death Book Hour, we have some very special guests from the underworld.
However, it's important that you first go out and check out this video before you watch.
That's right. Go to this web address. Watch this video. The following video will not make sense if you don't watch this address.
We'll wait.
Okay, did you watch it? The whole thing?
All right. Well, here is our special video featuring our special guests from the underworld.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Nothing over here. Not over there. Kind of catchy. Blake. William Blake. 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 William Blake.
Dickinson.
Blake. William Blake.
Dickinson.
Blake. William Blake.
Dickinson.
John. Blake. John. William.
John Milton.
Dickinson.
John. Blake. John. William.
John
Blake.
Milton.
Dickinson.
Blake. John.
Svitayeva.
Blake. John. William.
John
Blake.
Milton.
Dickinson.
John.
Svitayeva.
John.
Svitayeva.
John
Svitayeva.
Milton.
Dickinson.
Dylan
Thomas.
Svitayeva.
Dylan Thomas.
John.
Hey,
William.
Dylan Thomas.
John
Dylan Thomas.
Milton.
Yeah,
Dickinson.
Dylan Thomas.
Svitayeva.
Dylan Thomas.
Svitayeva.
Ooh, Dylan Thomas.
Svitayeva.
Dylan Thomas. That's me. Blake Dylan. 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 Blake Dylan.
Dickinson. Svitayeva. Dickinson.
Dylan
Svitayeva.
Thomas.
John
Svitayeva. Dickinson.
Dylan
Svitayeva.
Thomas. I'm
John
Dylan
Milton.
Thomas. Singing our song all day long in the underworld. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay.
Sylvia, Sylvia, oh Sylvie, 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 Sylvia. Yay! I love that video.
And if you love this video too, make sure and come back next week where we'll be interviewing the 6 cast members from the Poet Puppet Pals.
That's right. Cue card, baby death. I see. Have you ever wanted to put words into the mouth of William Blake? Have you ever wanted to reenact the secret love between Marina Svitayeva and John Milton? This may be your chance. Next week, we will be holding a very special, what's that word?
Contest.
Contest to give away our commemorative set of the 6 Poet Puppet Pal poets.
Puppets.
Puppets! Yes, you can't have the poets.
We keep those.
That
In the underworld.
Along with the puppets, we will also be giving away Death's very own copy of Polly Ann. Excuse me, baby Death. I think there's a typo on the card.
I
It
thought
says
Pollyanna was a great gift.
Well, we only have one copy left. How about a different gift?
But Pollyanna's a great one.
Well, since you burned my other one,
It was an accident.
why don't we give away something else nice?
Okay, fine. We'll give away the Gashly Crumb Tinies by
Excellent
Edward Gorey.
choice. Along with your 6 puppets, you'll be getting the Gashly Crumb Tinies. In order to enter the contest, you must submit a question for next week's interview with any of the 6 poets in the comments below. How's that?
Dylan Thomas,
Sylvia Plath,
William Blake,
Marina Svetaeva,
John Milton.
and Emily Dickinson.
So, leave your questions in the comments and we'll evaluate them and see which ones we want to use next
we look
week.
forward to hearing from all of you this time.
And in the meantime, we say good night,
Sleep tight. Don't let the death bugs bite.